Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily reset your Kia Forte's oil light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This is a crucial initial step. Next, locate the menu button, typically found on the right side of your steering wheel. This button will help us navigate through the dashboard display to access the necessary settings for the reset. Once the ignition is on, use the menu button to scroll through the options on your dashboard display. You'll want to navigate until you find User Settings. After reaching User Settings, use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll down further. Look for the Service Interval option. This is where your vehicle's oil change reminder settings are managed, allowing us to proceed with the reset. With Service Interval highlighted, press the OK button, usually located in the center of your steering wheel controls. This will open the Service Interval menu. Within this menu, you will see an option to reset. Select Reset, and then the system will ask for confirmation. Choose Yes to confirm the reset of your service interval. This action will clear the current oil light reminder. After confirming the reset, the service interval display should now show a new, higher mileage or duration, such as 7,500 miles or 6 months. This indicates that your oil light reminder has been successfully reset. To finalize, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely, then restart it to ensure the oil light is off and the new interval is active. Congratulations, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.